Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the TAYE Mini UV Light for gel nails. This little device has been gaining a lot of attention as one of the best gel nail UV lights on the market, perfect for both home use and professional nail salons. Now, let's talk about what makes this handheld nail lamp stand out. First off, its sleek and portable design is a game-changer. Weighing in at just 15.84 ounces and measuring 3.6 by 0.6 inches, it's incredibly easy to handle. You can slip it into your bag and take it wherever you go, ideal for those who like to get their nails done on the move. The striking purple color adds a fun touch, making it not just functional but also stylish. With a wattage of 3.0 watts, the TAYE Mini UV Light delivers professional quality results, curing gel nail polish quickly and efficiently. It utilizes advanced LED technology, ensuring that your gel nails are dried evenly without the risk of overheating. This feature is particularly important for maintaining the integrity of your nails while achieving a long-lasting finish. One of the most convenient aspects of this nail lamp is its versatility. It comes with a stand that allows for hands-free operation, so you can easily move on to your next nail while the current one cures. Plus, it's cordless, meaning you won't have to worry about getting tangled in wires during your DIY manicures. Charging the TAYE Mini UV Light is also super convenient with its USB charging capability. You can connect it to any USB power source, making it easy to use at home, in the office, or even while traveling. Whether you're looking to fix a chipped nail or going for a full-on manicure, this lamp is designed to meet your needs. Let's talk about how it works. Simply apply your gel polish, place your hand under the lamp, and let it work its magic. The TAYE Mini UV Light is suitable for a variety of gel nail products, including polishes and adhesives, making it a versatile tool for nail enthusiasts. In addition to its performance, the TAYE Mini UV Light is designed with practicality in mind. Its compact size allows you to store it easily, and the durable plastic material ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Overall, the TAYE Mini UV Light for gel nails has proven to be an essential tool for anyone who loves doing their nails. Its combination of portability, efficiency, and user-friendly design makes it a must-have in your beauty arsenal. So, if you're looking for a reliable, effective, and stylish UV lamp for gel nails, the TAYE Mini UV Light is definitely worth considering. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.